Yeah. Taking your medicine? She's on some kind of, I don't know, calcium pills or something after the C-section or something. I think it's an antibiotic. I don't know what it is. But she's gonna take this every day. Half a pill. These pills are gigantic, but I just thought it was funny watching her eat peanut butter. It's the only way to get her to eat them, though. Luna. Little piggy. Luna. I still see a chunk of medicine on there. You better eat that. Wait a minute. Luna. Come here. You gotta finish your medicine and then drink some water. Come here. Come here, baby. Want some water first? Water first. It's in a pan because we didn't have enough dog bowls to bring upstairs. Wash the peanut butter down, you know? You still got more to take. No. A little bit more, you're almost done. Aren't they cute? That's one of them, and the other one's on the other side. This is burning my butt, dude. That's really way too hot.